Hello, dear students. This is a guideline for scheduling the message and for planning social media campaign. So first of all, when we are thinking about plan, we already stopping to think about it in calendar way, but we're using Excel, for example, or any toolkit that is exist. So first of all, again, I will remind you that you should be very careful and to identify your social networks that you are going to work with. So for example, it should be something like Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or anything else. But when you're doing it, you need to understand that your company or your brand should be presented them well. So you should first check or create the profile at this channel. When you're having a group or page, it must be structured well. So here you go, you have a description, and you should have a file or a link here just to check it once a while. Is it okay? Is it correct? Is it in correspondence with mission statement? Then you can put here executor. For example, if you have a team member that will be in charge of looking or correcting this link. So you should put here the executor name and a password for him. Then you should correct mission statement for this brand or this type of company's activity. Then we should analyze what kind of brands we will gonna use at this network channel, what we're gonna promote. And once a while, you should find your primary goals and objectives, and you should correct them well. For example, we decided that 4 articles per month on Twitter or in blog will be okay. So once a week, we're going to create some kind of a story that will attract our followers, and they will share it, and they will decide to follow us, and we will have our influence in our strategy. But you should understand that the main element in strategy is constant strategic thinking. You shouldn't change the way or content the way you like uh, and change the tasks immediately after a while when measurement showed you negative feedback. We still need to continue to accomplish 4 articles per month to see the whole picture. So be patient, do your job, but first of all, you should define tasks. And then maybe you have a team and you are so lucky, so you have a team, several people who will do this job, or you will share the social channels among them. And now you are creating calendar. Of course, this is ideal one, because remember we decided that we will put 1 article per week, and here's 2 days and we already have 2 articles, right, one after another. What I need you to understand that the rules of thirds is really working. So you should put something on business topics. You should put something about stories, about motivation, about leaders in your industry, and you should put something touching, the story that will put the audience of these channels be comprehensively your followers, not just followers, but the friends of yours, the people who are sharing your values, your views, and if they share your values, they will share your content. So here you are, you already have mission statement, you have channels, you have time actually when you're done your job. You have type of the messages just to realize if they're working well. Maybe you should change the schedule. Maybe you should tweet not on the morning but at 11 a.m. as they say that this is the best way to tweet something. But how you gonna do that? How you gonna define that? Through the measurement. So here you go, we have number of clicks or likes or shares or anything else. And this combination of indexes, combination of your understanding what is going on, is this campaign is successful, will give you a hint and understanding for another step of scheduling. For example, next week or next month. And I really appreciate my influencers because they're becoming a partners. And I hope that you will find some people in this social media community who will support your campaign, and they have a lot of followers, and they, for example, blog owners, and they will share your ideas, and they will be the person who will support your business or social movement. So be very careful about them. You should know them by names and by links. So you should put here the link and the name of this person. Maybe you will tag him next time. Maybe you will say thank you, someone who supported me. And what I should add is that content marketing calendars can be different types. You can find a lot of toolkits via internet. You can use them the way you like, but I think that the best way for you is to create your own framework, as I've already done. So this is an example that I've done for myself. It's applicable, I think, and it's working, at least in my country, for my content and social campaigns. And I hope that this guideline helped you well for your social media campaign. Good luck. See you next time.